Samson's story reminds us that even when we mess up, God is always there when we turn back to Him. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Now, it's time for our strength challenge.
Hi kids, are you ready for a fun challenge? Today we're going to learn something important from the Bible while doing a cool activity. This is called an object lesson. An object lesson is when we use games, challenges, or experiments to help us understand the Bible better. For today's challenge, we're going to stack cups and plates. Here's how it works. We'll split into 2 teams. Each team will take turns stacking cups and plates to build the tallest tower they can. You'll have 3 rounds to try, and the team with the tallest tower at the end wins. Are you ready? Let's see how high you can go.
Look at them go. Team A is off to a strong start with a solid base. Smart move. Over on Team B's side, they're building fast. But can they keep it steady? Keep stacking, keep stacking. 10 seconds left. Time's up. Step back, teams.
And round 1 winner is Team A.
Now it's time for round 2. Are you all ready? Let's go! Notice how Team A is stacking the cups in a triangle while Team B stack the cups in sets of 2. As Team A goes higher and higher, Team B takes their time to make their base solid. Oh no! Team A's tower collapsed.
Time's up. Step back, teams.
And round 2 winner is Team B.
Well, in the first one we won. So that's okay. Yeah, save the best for last. Yeah.
Are you all ready? Let's go!
It looks like both teams are using the same strategy as they did in the last round. Will Team A be careful not to knock over their tower again? Or will Team B knock their tower over by going too fast? Only time will tell. 10 seconds left.
Oh no! Team A's tower collapsed.
No!
And time's up.
And round 3 winner is Team B again. Congratulations!
What an incredible competition. Great job to both teams for their teamwork and determination. To build the tallest tower, you needed a strong foundation first. Without it, everything would collapse. The same is true for our lives. When we build on faith in God, we stand strong no matter what. Just like Samson, whose strength came from trusting God, we must rely on Him as our foundation. With God, we can stand firm and do amazing things.
That's all for today, littles. It was great being with you all. See you next time.
Bye.